So my wife noticed the basement was getting really hot the other day while she was doing laundry. It's summertime, we've got a whole bunch of ACs running, and we noticed our draft control is actually swinging outward, sucking air in because of how much our ACs is pumping air out of the house. So if you look close, there's some damage to this tab right here. This is an older unit, but this is a super dangerous situation because it can blow furnace fumes into the house. This damper is only supposed to allow the furnace to draw air in based on barometric pressure and draft and all those things. So this needs to be replaced right away, so that's what we're gonna do. I have a Type RC calibrated draft control by Field Controls. I bought mine on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description as where you can get these. Now, because I'm just replacing my old one, I can just loosen the collar with a flathead screwdriver, and that will allow me to just pull out the old one. Again, it's summertime. I can actually feel a breeze coming through this pipe because of the number of air conditioning units I have running. Now, it is interesting to me that the weight was mounted on the right-hand side, even though this damper control was mounted on a horizontal pipe, meaning that the flue gas is moving sideways across it. These are designed so that on a vertical run, you want to put it on the right, and if you're mounting it on a horizontal pipe, you're supposed to mount it on the left. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so here's the nut that's got the little square backing on it. So I'll place that through here, and now I will screw on my counterweight, and I'm going to move mine just between the 2 and 4. That's just for now. I will calibrate the draft, but I won't be doing that in this video. So there's my new setup. I'm going to slide that into place now. I'm going to loosen this screw just to make it easy. Get this side in first. There we go. Now I want to make sure that's level. Pretty level. Once we're happy with how it's positioned, we just need to take that flathead and then tighten that screw down. That shrinks that collar so it holds it in nice and snug. Okay, the draft control is level. It is installed, and I did put the counterweight in the same position the old one was. However, I have moved it to the left-hand side because this is on a horizontal run, and I will have to adjust the draft control. I'll do that in another video. With my draft set properly, my unit is now running and starting exactly how it should. If you do not know how to set draft, make sure you call a licensed professional. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.